Okay, I'm at Repair Cafe and we have fixed 400 items and diverted 177 kg from the landfill. This is the registration area. Over here is the electronics.
Who is that?
This is Neris and this is Venkat.
Hi, Neris. Hi, Venkat.
Hello, sir.
What are they doing now?
They are fixing something. What are you fixing?
It is not something. This is a player, DVD player. DVD come VCR.
It's a DVD player.
Okay, great.
Okay. So the tailor. This is the board. He stitches.
What's he stitching?
He's stitching clothes. He stitches clothes.
What kind of clothes?
Huh? Like any clothes, like pants and.
What's he stitching today?
Now, what are you stitching, uncle?
Sari.
Huh?
Sari.
Sari. This is the clothes alteration. So you can sign here. Now you can sign these are the shoes and bags. So he has fixed almost he's fixing 6 stuff.
One more.
Six.
Yes.
He's fixing 6 stuff.
The seventh.
Huh?
This is seventh.
What are you fixing now?
I'm fixing
Number? Okay, he's fixing number 5.
fourth and fifth.
4th and 5th.
But what kind of repairs?
It is shoes and bags.
Yeah, but what in shoes and bags?
Shoes, bags, stitches, and here's Suresh. Yeah, these are the tools over
And
here.
spare parts.
And spare parts. These are a few of the tools. Ashok is doing the tools. The kitchen appliance. He's repairing the kitchen appliances.
Which I don't see any kitchen appliances there. Which ones did he do?
He just fixed a grinder, idli batter.
What was wrong with some mechanical problem was there. We got it fixed. So it
Some
wanted-
mechanical problem was there, so he got it fixed.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Wonderful, yeah.